Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 23. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. A reproductive process that involves only one parent and produces offspring that are identical to the parent. Asexual reproduction. The main ring of DNA in a prokaryotic cell, or one of multiple structures made of DNA in a eukaryotic cell. Chromosome. The structure that attaches identical chromatids forming an X-shaped chromosome. Centromere. Duplicate copies of DNA that are attached at the centromere and distributed to daughter cells. Sister chromatids. Phase of cell cycle where the cell grows, replicates DNA, then grows again. Interphase. Phase of mitosis where condensed chromosomes are first produced and become visible and the nucleus breaks down. Prophase. Phase of mitosis where chromosomes line up along the middle line of the cell. Metaphase. Phase of mitosis where two new nuclei form. Telophase. Phase of the cell cycle where the cells move apart. Cytokinesis. process by which a cell divides into two new daughter cells. Cell division. New cells produced by cell division. Daughter cells. Result of cells producing new cells through cell division. Growth. Process in which cells become specialized in structure and function. Differentiation. Replaced of damaged or dead cell. Repair. Repair that allows replacement of new body. Regeneration. Microtubule structure that helps separate the chromosomes. Spindle. What are the four phases of mitosis? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. A disorder in which some of the body's own cells lose the ability to control growth. Cancer. How are cancer cells different from other cells? They do not respond to the signals that regulate the growth of most cells. One of a family of closely related proteins that regulate the cell cycle in eukaryotic cells. cycling. If glucose is not immediately needed for ATP production, dash may occur. Glycogenesis. Glycolysis, formation of acetyl-CoA, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain reaction. Correct order of events of glucose catabolism. Dear friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 23. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.